Someone's having cherries for breakfast. Ignoring everything else, and we're going straight for those cherries. I'm happy. It's not going to be too hard to get you away from the icky stuff, is it? Yeah, listen to those croons. Is that a good cherry? That's a good cherry, isn't it? Oh, there's the peanut. I'm pretty happy that she's not eating so much nuts. Checked her food dish this morning and it's mostly the vegetables eaten. So that's one pudgy little parrot. Then we got over here. What are you having for breakfast? Ooh, eating stuff here. What do you got? You eating a peanut? Are you eating a peanut? Yeah. Are you eating a peanut? Cutie patootie. You're so cute. You're so cute. And then Molly, she's in her box. To hell with breakfast, you got a box. Isn't that right? Yeah. Making your mess. Right?